how to make an image the background of a page in Google Docs. So I'll show you how to add a full page image and also how to add text on top of the image as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is just type out some text like so. And I'm just going to add this so you can see exactly how this works. So once you have your text, you can now go and add the image. Click on Insert at the top of the page and press Image. Select Upload from Computer, and then just go and select the image that you want to use as the background. Once you have your image on the document, go and select it, and click on Image Options. Now click on the drop down next to Text Wrapping, and go and select Behind Text. Now click on the drop down next to Position and select Fix Position on the page. You can then scroll down to the X value and go and set this to 0. You also need to do the same for the Y value as well, set this to 0. Now finally, you can just go and drag the edges of the image to resize this. So just go and keep stretching this until it fits the full width of the page like so. As you can see now, we have this background image without any margins on the page.